Okay, next we move on to another subdivision in a coordinate geometry is called as a straight line. Okay, another coordinate in the axis is called as a straight line. Okay, see here, what is the meaning of straight line? Equation of the straight line. So if you see in a graph, y-axis as well as x-axis, y-axis as well as x-axis. So you know the lines which is called as waves, okay, and some bend, arc and all. Straight line based on the axis, you will get in any one of the place as a straight line. Suppose a line is coming like this, it meet at both axes. What axis? Y-axis as well as x-axis. If you see that, it's clear. So it will be y-axis as well as x-axis. This straight line is meeting. Okay, one of the equation called as ax plus by plus c. We will give some number in that. X coordinate, y coordinate and constant. Okay, a, b and c have certain numbers or certain constant with positive number or negative number. X and y is called as a variable, two variable, and this is called as a first degree of equation. In lower class itself we studied, if the power is more than 1 or 2, 3, 4 like that, we will ask to find out the degree of the polynomial, So this is one of the polynomial equation. Here the degree is 1, here the power is 1, here there is power 1. Suppose I am writing here there is square, this will come under further. Okay, not now. With the quadratic equation or degree is 2, but not like this here. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is degree 1, first degree of the polynomial equation, straight line. So we have to write here ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, where you are getting the line, you have to implement the equation. A have some value, b have some value and c have some value. Okay, and x and y is also have certain values with making a point. So that is called as straight line with the first degree of equation. Parallel to x-axis, already we know about that parallel line. Okay, just like a railway track. If you see that railway track, number of times you have seen it. Okay, I'll give the example. And number 11. So these are all called as a parallel line. Likewise, parallel to x-axis means what? Any line above or below which is a straight line. Suppose I am putting the line like this. Okay, so I am putting the line like this. So this is parallel to what? X. Parallel to x-axis. It's clear? Okay, here y will be what? Certain value. Y will be have certain value, that is y equal to b. They will take as y equal to b. Okay, parallel to x-axis. It will be have certain value. Y will be by because it will be standard at this one point. நிலையா இங்கேயே இருக்கும். x ஓட வேல்யூ பொறுத்து இது மாறிக்கிட்டே வரும். புரியுதா? Depending upon the x value is changing, negative number, positive number, but y will be parallel to y axis. Okay, parallel to x axis, because this is x axis, this will be a parallel to y axis. Some points here we can mark it. Okay, suppose this is 1, this is 5, 1 comma 5. Okay, suppose this is 3, in the இடம் வந்து என்னது 3 க்கு நேரா இருக்கும், 3 comma 5, it will not change. Okay, this will not change at either places. It's clear, this will be constant. இந்த பக்கம் இருந்தா +5, இந்த பக்கம் இருந்தா -5, but it will be fixed point. But this will be change where the point is moving on the, suppose this is -3, if you are writing it -3, இந்த இடத்துல என்ன எழுதிருப்போம் 5 ன்னு எழுதிருப்போம். அப்போ -3, 5. Okay, because this point is 5. அப்போ what is it? 1, 5, 3, 5, -3, 5, whatever is there on both sides, y value will be what? 5. X value will be vary. Okay, so that is parallel to x axis. If the line is like that, parallel to y axis, you can find the equation of y equal to some value. Next, parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis means, so same x axis, y axis, the line will be either this side or this side. Okay, either this side or that side, depending upon the place value. But here x value will be fixed. So x equal to c. X equal to c. It's clear? So this is the way we have to mention certain concept. So parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis. Here x should be parallel to x axis means, so y will be 0. Here x will be 0. So we have to arrange certain equation on that, which is taken on the page. So look at the textbook. Parallel to x axis, page number 221. If you see, the definition will be given: straight line, equation of the coordinate axis, equation of the line parallel to x axis, then equation of the line parallel to y axis. Certain concept will be on 221 and 222. Now we move on to next, intercept. What is the meaning of intercept? So if we take one of the equation, y concept is called as an intercept. We can represent the letter called as c. We can represent the letter called as c. Next, slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus c. This is one of the equation. ஒரு ஸ்லோப் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, ஒரு இன்டர்செப்ட் வேல்யூ கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. அப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண, we have to use this one of the formula called as y equal to mx plus c. m represents slope, c represent intercept. To find out the equation, at that time you have to use this one of the formula when slope and intercepts are given. Now point slope form. What is the meaning of point slope form? அப்படின்னா ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, ஒரு ஸ்லோப் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. In the question you will get one slope, or you have to find out slope and one point formula. We can call it as what? One point formula, slope with 1 point formula. Okay, that's why we can write point slope form, slope intercept form. By seeing the question only, we have to identify what formula you have to utilize. Okay, so for this slope and intercept will be given, that is m value and c value. For this slope is given, instead of intercept 1 point is given. Next, 2-point formula to find out the equation. To find out the equation when 2 points is given. It's clear? 2 point கொடுத்து straight line ஓட ஈக்குவேஷனை கண்டுபிடி அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா, you have to use the 2-point form to get the answer, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, whereas x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is called as the 2-point form. So depending upon the value, either parallel to x axis or parallel to y axis, or when slope and intercept is given, we have to use this, or when point and slope is given, you have to utilize this. When 2 points is there, we have to follow this. So this is the introduction. Before going to this, you have to recall certain concept for doing certain sum, and certain things will be early. Suppose if your angle is given, already studied in previous class. Okay, how we have to find the slope, 30 degree கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, 45 degree கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. So at that situation you need to follow. Previous also there will be repeated here, but newly we have to recall all the things. Straight line means you have to find out the equation like this. X-axis with some number, y-axis with some number and constant. Okay, I told this is the first degree of the equation. Why? Because this is a mono polynomial, because there is no degree, only one is there. இங்கே 2 3 போட்டிருந்தா தான் டிகிரி மாறும். இங்கே எதுவுமே இல்லைன்னா 1 ன்னு அர்த்தம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிகிரி ஆஃப் த ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆர் டிகிரி இஸ் 1 like that. Now parallel to x-axis, I told that y equal to b, you have to take this is parallel to x-axis and this is parallel to y-axis. Either the line is this way or either at any place, either negative place or positive place. So at this situation what will be there? Y will be changed. Y will be changed. X will not change. Suppose this is 4 for example. Okay, so 4 comma x-axis will be 4, no, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, like that going on. Here also 4 comma, just this will be 4. இப்போ இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது, மைனஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா -2, இங்கே -4 இருந்துச்சுன்னா -4. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து 4 comma, suppose if here there is 3, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3, because it is a positive, it is a negative in y-axis. So depending upon the value here, x value will be what? Fixed. Y value will be changed. There y value will be fixed, x value will be changed. So when the parallel to y-axis, intercept form, slope intercept form, when the equation is given, you have to find out that okay, point slope form, 1 point form, when slope and 1 point will be given. Here 2 point form, to find out the given equation. 2 point கொடுத்தா இதை யூஸ் பண்ணோம். ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஒரு ஸ்லோப் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதை யூஸ் பண்ணோம். இன்டர்செப்ட் ஸ்லோப் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதை யூஸ் பண்ணோம். It's clear? Depending upon the question, you have to find out the answers. Okay, so go through that. After doing certain sums, we will be understand still clear how we have to use. You recall the formulas what I taught now. Then we can easily follow certain sums. It's clear? Okay. Now I proceed the first one. See, page number 222. So slope intercept form, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. So one of the question, example 5.18. Example 5.18. Find the equation of the straight line whose slope 5 and y-intercept is 9. Slope 5, y-intercept is 9. Page number 222. Okay, page 222 la pathina theriyum. Okay, slope. Slope is given as 5, y-intercept is given as -9. So this is the first question in example 5.18. Whereas in second one, in this second question is given angle equal to 45 degree, okay, y-intercept is 11. Y-intercept is 11. See how we can do this certain sums to follow this. It's clear? So based on what we have learned, we can proceed this. Okay, page number 222, which is present on that. Find that equation of a straight line. Slope is given, intercept. I told if slope and intercept is given, what the equation you have to use? Okay, slope of intercept. Slope of intercept equal to, that is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so y equal to, the value of m is what? 5. X plus the intercept is -9. So therefore -9. -9. You have to arrange the equation in order. Okay, so this will go to the opposite. This will go to the opposite. So 5x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. That's all. X coordinate, y coordinate constant. It's clear. Simply just substitute and only you have to recall the what formula. If you recall the what formula you have to use, that means it will be easy for you. No need of calculation here. Okay. So slope kuduthirukanga, y intercept means I told C. Okay, C yoda value the y intercept. You have to understand. Slope means m. We studied in previous classes also. Okay, y equal to mx plus c. By seeing that we have to recall. This is use pannundrathu idha paathone theriyum namukku. Seriya? Okay, next. See, instead of slope is given directly, inga vandu enna pannirukanga indirect ah kuduthirukanga. That is not m. That is not m. Angle of inclination. Angle of inclination is given as 40 degree. So theta is given as 45 degree. It's clear? Okay. You have to find out m. M equal to tan theta equal to tan 45. This also I will explain in earlier classes. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is what? 1. You have to recall that. Okay. I told 4 or 5 values you have to recall. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 45, 1. Tan 60, root 3. We have to, for tan 0, 0. Tan 90, infinity or undefined. So, at the thirma nama recall pannite varum. That will be easy for you. Okay. So, tan 45 is 1. Now, this is m. Now, we can use the same concept. Because you got the slope, you got that intercept. So, now same slope of intercept form. Okay, equation of a straight line equal to, that is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Y, what is m? 1 into what? X plus 11. Plus 11. 1 into x is what? X. So y will be go there. Okay. X plus y will go there, minus y plus 11 equal to 0. That's all. Okay. Here slope is given directly. That's why we are substitute directly in the formula. Okay. Here slope is not given. In place of slope, angle of inclination is given. You have to find out slope, then you have to substitute in the same equation. So, equation of a straight line when intercept and m is given. Y intercept means c. Let us see, c equal to 11. Let us practice panikka. Then will be easy for you. What is the meaning of c? C means y intercept. It's clear? This is one of the example sums which is present on the textbook. Okay. Example sums maximum I will teach a few things only. Okay, not all the things, because all the maximum number of example sums they are explained in the textbook itself. If you got a doubt in later, you can ask. I will particularly explain in certain classes. Okay. So exercise I thought already I told exercise will be I thought a major things. Next, another important one more example I will tell that 5.19 calculate the slope y intercept of the straight line. This is very important question. Okay, they will given question number 2. Question number 2 example, very important question. 5.19. Okay, so this will be asked in 2 mark. Listen carefully. Equation is given 8x minus 7y, then what you have to form? 7y plus 6 equal to 0. Plus 6 equal to, calculate the slope and y intercept of the given equation. So this is another concept. You have to reverse. Okay, slope intercept கொடுத்துட்டு இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. Now the equation is given. Equation is given. The question is asked to find out these two things. Very important concept. Listen. Okay. போன கொஸ்டின்ல ஸ்லோப் இன்டர்செப்ட் கொடுத்து ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. இப்போ ஈக்குவேஷன் அவங்க வச்சிருக்காங்க. What the question has to find? Slope and y-intercept. Now arrange in this order first. இந்த மாதிரி கொண்டு வரணும். y மற்றதெல்லாம் அந்த பக்கம். Okay. How we can make this? See, first of all, keep it minus 7y here. Keep it minus 7y here. These both will go opposite. What will be there? Minus 8x plus 6 will be minus 6. Like this you have to bring out. Okay. Keep as it is minus 7y. 8x will go opposite. 6 will go opposite by changing sign. Now all are minus. All are minus. Change as a plus. So what will be now? 7y equal to 8x plus 6. It's clear? This form you have to get. 7 is in multiplication. When you go to the opposite, it will be a divide. So y equal to what? 8x plus 6. 8x plus, shall I write here? See, y equal to 8x plus 6 divided by 7. Divided by 7. It is clear? This 7 is divisible for both. So y equal to 8 by 7x plus 6 by 7. Now you compare this equation. Okay, comparing y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் கம்பேர் பண்ணோம். m என்ற இடத்துல என்ன இருக்குங்க? 8 by 7. 8 by 7. c என்ற இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு? 6 by 7. 6 by 7. Therefore, slope equal to 8 by 7. Y-intercept. Y-intercept or c. C equal to, what is that? 6 by 7. 6 by 7. So very important question. Again, listen. Example 5.19. One of the equation is given. The question has to find slope and y-intercept. So keep a y term here. Take out x term and constant to the opposite side. I am changing all this. Here there is negative, that's why I am changing that. If in certain sums there is no negative means no need to change. Leave as it is. Sign change அவசியம் கிடையாது. இங்கே எல்லாமே மைனஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால நான் சைன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். எல்லாமே பாசிட்டிவாக இருந்தால் இந்த ஸ்டெப் தேவையில்லை. இட்ஸ் கிளியர்? ஸோ நவ் 7y ஈக்குவல் டு 8x ப்ளஸ் 6. 7 மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இருக்குது. ஆப்போசிட்டில் போச்சுன்னா டிவைடில் ஆகும். ஓகே, 8 by தனியாக பிரிச்சுக்கோ. 8 by 7x and 6 by 7 because 7 is common for both. Now compare this equation. இந்த மாடலில் இருக்குது. எந்த மாடலில்? இந்த மாடலுக்கு y equal to mx plus c. That's why I am written here comparing y equal to mx plus c. In place of m there is 8 by 7. In place of c there is 6 by 7. It's clear? Now we move on to certain exercise sums. That will be clear. Still more for you. Okay. So based on that we will proceed certain exercise sums. So what are the sums we are doing in a class? Just you practice in some number of times. Okay, I'll know, just don't leave it. Okay, even if you are written the classwork, you just understand and see without doing a textbook or classwork. Okay, now shall I move to the exercise which is present on page number, first question, exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. So question number 1. Question number 1. That is page 229. Page 229. So most of them not have the textbook. That's why I recalling certain page number. Okay. So if you saw in future, it will be useful for you. Simply exercise shall I put that, okay, but your referred to will be very difficult. That's why I written here page number 229. During the class I will not write the page number, just I will reading that. Okay, find the equation of a straight line passing through the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 1 comma minus 5, 1 comma minus 5, and one more point is what, 4 comma 2, okay, which is parallel to the x-axis, midpoint. See the question, midpoint, okay, parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Okay, one of the question is given to find out these things. It is clear. ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் கொடுக்கும்போது அவங்க என்ன ஒரு கேள்வி கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா midpoint. Midpoint means already we done that. How we have to find out the midpoint? Based on these two coordinate, we have to find out the midpoint. You will get that one off point. In that the question has to parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. It is clear? Okay. Now, what is the midpoint formula? Already we gone in previous classes. Midpoint equal to what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We can directly also use it. No need to write the formula if you understand clearly. Okay. So if you not understand only, they are written some certain steps additionally. Okay, midpoint. So what is x1? 1. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 by 2, comma, minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 by 2. It's clear? y1 plus y2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Those who not understand, you write like this. That will be easy for you. Okay. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Midpoint formula we studied in the first exercise itself. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you substitute the value here. So after substituting the value, what will we get here? 5 by 2. Yeah, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 5 plus 2. What is the meaning of that? 5 with 2 pochana 3. Minus is greatest, minus 3 by 2. It is clear now? Okay, you will got one of the coordinate. One of the coordinate. Now what the equation of that? Equation, the question is asked, equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line for the point 5 comma 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Either base பண்ணி தான் நம்ம parallel to equation x-axis and y-axis. First question, the question is asked parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, what I told that y equal to b. Y equal to b. It's clear? Y equal to b. Okay, so parallel to x-axis, y equal to b means what you have to write? Second coordinate. What coordinate? X should be 0. Y equal to minus 3 by 2. It's clear?